This is Jeff from Relevant Homes, bringing you this video from the Armitage project. During interior demolition, we removed about 70% of the existing roof and floor joists. We made sure the crew kept the pieces that were able to be salvaged. After pulling around 4,000 nails from them, they were ready to be sent out. Each board weighed around 70 pounds with all the moisture they were retaining. We had to rent a heavy-duty pickup truck and take 2 trips to transport them. Fortunately, we were able to partner with our local Logan Square reclaimed wood shop, the Square Nail, and only had to take them a mile down Armitage. Once there, we unloaded all the joists at their shop, stacking them so they can dry out. After a few weeks in their heated garage, they will trim off the bad ends, plane down the faces, and joint the edges, so we can use them to build some tables, countertops, and benches for use in our new space. Please keep coming back for more videos, and feel free to share them with your friends.